Officer Traley here, boys and girls. Yep, it's our turn to report for duty. The weekly sounds. We're going to go through them twice. So you sit up. Come on, let's go. We don't want to be late for work. Here we go. V, van. V. X, fox. X. W, wind. Wa. Q, queen. Qua. Y, yellow. Ya. Z, zebra. Z. Now I'm going to mix those up, and we're going to do them again because that's what police officers do. They work really hard to make sure we've got all our knowledge. All right, you ready, boys and girls? Here we go. V, van. Say them with me. W, wind. Wa. Y, yellow. Ya. Z, zebra. Z. Q, queen. Qua. And X, fox. Awesome, guys. You did a great job at our weekly sound review.